Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text track in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and add a text layer to your timeline. Next, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel to access text properties. We will then apply keyframes to animate the text's position and tracking values. This process allows for precise control over character spacing and movement, creating professional-looking titles and graphics. We will cover everything from basic setup to advanced adjustments. To begin, select the Type tool from your toolbar and click on the Program Monitor to create a new text layer. In the Essential Graphics panel, customize your text's appearance, including font style, size, and color. Then, open the text layer's properties in the Effect Controls panel. Set your first keyframe for both position and tracking at the start of your animation. Move your playhead forward a few seconds and adjust these values for your second keyframe. Now, let's refine the tracking. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the tracking value to increase or decrease the space between characters. For smoother motion, right-click on your keyframes and apply Ease In or Ease Out interpolations. You can also link your text layer to a motion-tracked mask from another clip, making your text follow an object's movement. Experiment with different tracking amounts to achieve your desired visual effect. For more advanced tracking, consider using expressions to automate complex animations, saving you significant time. You can also nest your text sequence to apply global effects or adjustments to multiple text layers simultaneously. Always preview your entire animation several times to ensure all tracking and motion are perfectly synchronized. Once satisfied, export your final video in your preferred format, ready to share your professionally tracked text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.